INIU portable charger not charging. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this issue with your INIU portable charger. So in order to fix this issue, the best method that I can suggest you is to simply reset your charger. So in order to reset your charger or your portable charger power bank, what you need to do is you need to simply locate the power button or on your INIU power bank. Then you need to press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. You might see the lights flicker or blink indicating that the reset process is done. After holding the button for the specified time, you need to just release it. Their power bank should be reset. Now you can even try the second method using a cable, but it is less common, and you need to make sure that while this method is mentioned in some online resources, it is not common and might not be applicable in all the new models. So it is recommended you to try the first method first. If that doesn't work, you can consult your power bank's manual and reach out to the INU support for further instructions on this method. So here is the brief overview of this method in case it applies to your power bank's model. You will need a cable, it like a micro USB or the USB-C cable that can connect to both the input and the output ports of your INU power bank. Afterwards, you need to plug one end of the cable into the input port and the other end of the same cable into the output port. Then you need to hold this connection for 15 to 20 seconds. This might trigger a reset. After performing a reset, try charging your INU power bank again and see if it functions normally. If the problem still persists, then what I would recommend you to do is to simply go to the INU customer support team. So you just have to contact them and you can try to tell them your problem that you are facing. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.